All right, YouTube, back with yet another Between Two Clutches segment. And today we are back again live at SEMA, and we are fortunate to have one Timmy J. Catfish and his cohort Adam from Cleveland Power and Performance, some gents that I've worked with and damn near done jail time with the last couple years. So, fellas, what's going on? Tell me something good.
Dude, we're here at SEMA.
Yeah, living it up.
In Las Vegas, Nevada, Planet Earth, USA, Milky Way Galaxy. So, and we're talking to you. And what more could a girl ask for?
I know, right? I mean,
right.
that whole PRI show on Mars, I don't think ever caught on. I mean,
I'm gonna make it this year.
You and Elon got a deal, huh?
I'm going with the other rocket.
Oh yeah.
You know the one.
Yeah.
You know the rocket. You know it very well. I'm going
I know
on
it
that
too
one.
well. Oh, anyway, I was trying to steer clear of Timmy's rocket in this video, but
It's not mine. It's Jeffrey's rocket.
So what booth are you guys at? Where did you guys end up putting the car? I know we kind of
We're in Central Hall in Beltec's booth with our 1979, 2014 Bronco situation that we can get into if you want to see it. But Central Hall with Beltec suspension, middle of Central Hall.
The Bronco situation. Yeah.
Yes.
We need to hear some more about that. Go ahead. Tell us all about it, man.
All right. Well, Adam, why don't you field the question and tell them a little bit about this Bronco?
All right, so it's a 79 Bronco body, and that's kind of where it stops, So we have a 14 F-150 firewall floor pan grafted into the inside of this Bronco. Makes bolting up the factory F-150 dash, seats, center console, everything right in place. Wiring harness even running the factory places. As far as frame goes, the first 5 feet of the frame where all the front suspension, motor, everything mount, that's F-150. Makes it super easy. A modern lift kit literally bolts right underneath of it. After that, we built a custom in-house frame, parallel 4-link with a panhard bar in the back. We run Beltec KW coilovers front and rear. It really rides like a dream. As far as power goes, we have a Coyote with a Roush supercharger. Makes somewhere around 600. The donor vehicle that actually supplied all of these F-150 components was a Tonka edition F-150. So it came from Roush with the Roush installed supercharger and a bunch of Tonka stuff, but we didn't really keep much of that.
Right.
So if you're still awake, it's a bunch of F-150 parts underneath the 79 Bronco with a custom frame. And there's like parts of it right here. You can see there's like, my directions are all askew. There's like a foot.
Sorry, Timmy.
And then also like another part right there. If you can see that right there, that's another part of the thing that we did. So it's pretty crazy. It's pretty wild.
Nice.
It's pretty wild. But what do you want to see, Jeff? Tell me.
Looks cool.
Not on the truck. On the truck.
Yeah. We'll save that for another video.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Give me a side shot of that thing. Let's check this thing out. It looks great from the front. Wow. Looky there, boys. Looky there. Look at that.
Okay, so there it is. There's a truck.
There's a truck. We built it. Huh.
Yes.
How much did you guys have to shorten the frame to stay?
Say it again.
How much did you have to shorten the frame to stay within the confines of the Bronco?
Hold on, we got it. We're getting photobombed here.
Yeah.
Especially,
they let everybody on camera. Where you at?
Nice.
Dude, not out this year?
we brought our janitor as well. Rick, he's here with us.
In case
Yeah.
somebody needs to clean up the mess.
I'm
That's
third
right.
janitor though. With a little work, they told me I have a chance to come to second janitor.
He's going for first mop or first chair or whatever it is.
First mouth. He said, I'm out. First mouth. First mouth. How you been, man? Good?
Buddy, we have been very busy. It's been a pretty nutty year, which is good. I mean, I'm getting all kinds of crazy requests. Like there's another quad disc that we're building as we speak. I did some other custom light and flywheels for some other customers. So it's just across the board. So all good stuff. I mean, just kind of crazy and get some parts in as best we can. What's that?
Since it's not the same here without a beautiful man like you for him to molest. So
That's why I had to call in. See,
Yeah.
I couldn't leave you completely high and dry, you know.
Thank you.
And actually, I had to warm up the shop. I was afraid I was going to
dude.
cut the glass and get you guys really excited.
Form fitting.
warm it up. The little fire symbols.
Beautiful. It's beautiful.
Good Lord. So what's been the favorite thing you guys have seen out there vehicle wise? Let me clear that up.
Vehicle wise, there's a ton of cool stuff. Okay, bye, Rick.
Bye, Rick.
So-
Thanks, man.
We have a lot of our friends, industry members, friends like yourself, but that are actually here. We've seen their cars, very cool stuff. I'm trying to think like Tucci High Rods. They did a Maverick that's in Ford's booth. That's like, it's outstanding. It's like incredible. That's been one of the coolest vehicles I've seen. It's hard. It's like anybody that I know that I consider a friend that's what I want to see. I want to see those people. And then what they created and what they brought here. So like Tucci's Maverick that they did in Ford's booth is probably, I'd have to say off the top of my head right now, it's my favorite vehicle here that I've seen. Adam?
You got,
I haven't seen it yet, but I want to go to Optima Alley. I've competed in a couple of Optima events in the past myself. So I haven't made it to the SEMA level yet to go, but at least I can go take a look at them because I'm really into the performance side of cars. I really enjoy that.
we did an earlier video with Ellsworth Racing. They've got 2 Vipers that they're campaigning in Optima with our stuff in it. And it looks like they have a pretty good setup this year. They're going to actually do, it looks like they're going to get to do some exhibition runs, which might be going on right now. But they've got some room in the bronze lot where it looks like they're going to do.
They have more than one vehicle?
Yeah, they've got, I think they've got a 2002, and I think it might have been an '08 Viper that they've got out there.
Okay.
If I mess that up, feel free to light me up in the comments below for not knowing shit.
We'll check it out. Yeah.
But yeah, it looks like it's going to be a pretty darn good setup this year. They used to kind of just have it set up on the side of the one, and there was only like 20 or 25 cars before, but it looks like they've got close to 50 cars this year. So
There's a lot
stuff.
a lot of cars out there. Yeah.
Yeah, they really blown up over the past few years.
I think it's a good thing too. I mean, kind of like you said, you know, it's nice to see the application of or the performance side of it. SEMA's a lot of glitz and glamour, which is cool.
Yep.
But actually seeing some stuff running is kind of neat. Have you guys? Have you guys spent any time with Ford out front? Are they still doing their stuff out there?
They're doing it. Yeah, we haven't been out there, but they're doing it. They're going hard. They put on a huge show. They take over the show. They do a good job. So, and Donk Master's out there too, which I was looking at his cars this morning. Oh, hold on. I think I lost audio.
Donk Master?
Yeah. Don't tell me you don't know Donk Master.
I don't know the Donk Master.
Well,
where have I been?
I don't know. I think he's from South Carolina. No, he's from South Carolina. So he's like near you, kind of.
Yeah. I mean, it's all relative.
I mean, he's your neighbor essentially. But while we're doing this, before my cell phone dies, you want to see the interior of this Bronco?
Sure. Yeah, let's check it out, man.
So we were saying, the truck is based underneath and inside on a 14 F-150. So the interior will represent that. It's all custom upholstered and done in-house here at our shop at Cleveland Power Performance. So all these parts started life as F-150 parts. Let me get that thing out of there. All these parts started life as F-150 parts and were upholstered, custom stitched, and all that stuff.
Wow.
And that's a fake automatic shifter.
It's all good. I have no feelings. Look at that, guys.
Challenger rear seat, bunch of stuff in the back too, bunch of, custom double Diamond Dallas Page stitching.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then how many hours do you guys think you have in this build?
A lot. Adam, I don't know.
What's that?
Hours. Ricky, hours.
And the interior alone?
Oh, we're flipping all over. Hours on the build?
Oh, God, it's awful.
It's awful.
We do a lot of stuff because we had some
okay, so
issues.
It's awful. We had some issues. It's awful.
Yeah, so I didn't have to get back. It's a lot. It's too
like 4 or 5.
Oh yeah.
1,000 million.
Yeah.
No, I don't know.
I got 1,000.
Probably 10,000.
I went ahead and just knocked it out in a weekend. I mean, why not?
Yeah. Something like that. You know how it is. Oh, look at.
Oh, there you go.
Do you know who that is?
Hold on, I can't see who's right up there. Oh yeah, looky there. Nicely done.
Yeah, well, they're signing autographs. They're doing it. They're warming the crowd up for us.
Well, yeah. I
This
mean,
time.
you
Yeah.
guys brought the big box of Sharpies this time, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
That's right. I brought spray paint can.
Oh,
Just gonna
see, now there
spray
you
paint
go.
people's faces. Yeah.
I mean, the one year you're just sticking a
Oh yeah,
finger
you got
in
a tattoo
blood.
done. I got
Tattoo done.
spray paint can. Yeah.
Permanent.
Good Lord.
What else you want to see, Jeff?
You know, let's take a quick peek underneath that thing, and that's pretty good, dude. That's really good, actually. I'm
Okay, let me flip
impressed.
the camera. I'm gonna get down on the flow.
Oh,
My black.
easy, Timmy. I don't think
Oh.
Rick's Medical will cover you.
No, I don't know.
Wow,
Solid rear axle. It's 4-link.
wow.
That is the rear axle from the F-150. Let me get around to the side here.
Nice work.
So like Adam was saying, the frame from the front suspension back's all custom built. Obviously all kind of other custom stuff going on with that drive shaft loop and the trans cross member,
Yeah,
the exhaust.
very well done, boys. Very well done.
There's the front suspension.
Look at that.
What do you think? I mean, I'm on my hands and knees for you here, Jerko.
Well, you know, it only took about 4 years to get you there. I'm polishing this moment.
I've been waiting, but I will, and I can also send you some pictures and videos, if you want to edit it in.
Yeah, if you can, definitely shoot me some pictures here before your phone dies. We'll gladly post them up. And yeah, if you can take like a sneaky walk around video, definitely send us that too, dude. That'd be fantastic.
Okay, we'll do.
And feel free, like if you guys see some other cool shit, like I would love to get some pictures of that Maverick. My estranged buddy Nat is roaming around there somewhere.
Yeah, right.
I was gonna send him your way, and I'll send him over to check out that Maverick too. That sounds
Okay.
cool.
I'll take some video and send it to you too.
Okay,
that Maverick.
that's great. Like I said, it's always good to have somebody on the ground.
On the scene.
What's that?
On the scene.
On the scene.
Yes.
In the know.
Yeah. Yes, we're the street team. The Mantic USA Street Team. Fucking we're Jeff's jerks. Is what they call us. Jeff's jerks.
Perfect. I should have made t-shirts. I was well behind the eight ball.
Yeah, you should have. We'll get a Sharpie from the Diesel Brothers or Bros and right.
Right on our face.
Yeah. You got nice
Yeah.
handwriting.
Yes.
I'm not gonna do any better.
We'll hire somebody to do it. Outsource.
Outsource. It's the American way.
We're too busy,
Yeah, come on. We got video conferences and signings and stuff to do and crawl around underneath Broncos and shit. So
I'm just glad you were able to slot us in. I mean, that was
we canceled Jay Leno
Yeah.
for this.
Oh, don't cancel Leno.
Yeah, we were gonna fly out to Burbank and we're like, we can't do it. He's like, man, you got me talking to him. And we said, we're talking to Jeff Jerko. And he's like,
careful. He might be right behind you. You never know.
This is true.
Don't scare us like that. Yeah.
You can see behind me. Okay.
So
Thank you.
So back in the day when I was with Gasket, Mr. Leno would be at the show, kind of roaming around. He would even be at one of the smaller Mopar shows in Van Nuys, and he'd just hanging out while he'd talk to anybody, look at cars. He's fantastic, man. So
Yeah.
you never know.
Yeah.
He might be rubbing elbows with some of the greats.
Hopefully he doesn't find me and punch me in the face for that
Well,
impression. I mean, he's a comedian, so
I think as long as you stay at arm's length, Timmy, you should be okay.
Yeah,
Have a fighting chance,
well, I got this
Or-
guy here.
I was
got
gonna
this
say,
guy here, too.
Adam may get sacrificed in the name of duty.
Yeah, he might. I might just throw him at Jay Leno. I don't know.
Yeah, kind of bowling ball it and then just hightail it.
Yeah.
That should be all right.
Exactly.
Like a spider monkey,
Well, hey guys, this is great. Thank you so much for making a little time. If you're
course.
bored through the week and you see something cool, let me know. We can do this again the next day or two. if you
Yeah.
want.
And just make sure all the people out there that follow you and know that if they're buying a clutch, don't be an idiot and buy it from Mantic. Jeff Durko specifically. Why are you going to be an idiot? Don't be an idiot.
I will
Buy
sign
Mantic
the cover.
clutches. Yes. That was free. He didn't pay me for that or nothing.
No.
I believe in him. I believe in his beautiful hair, and I believe in his beautiful product, and his hair product and his clutch product.
Both the hair product and the clutch
Yes,
product.
yeah, both of them.
This is good, guys. Hey, I really appreciate it. We will talk to you guys soon.